Hello and welcome to another veg power recipe. Today we are going to make the simple yet delicious stir fry. For this recipe you will need 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, half a courgette, 1 large bell pepper, half a tin of sweet corn, 20 grams of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of honey, some mixed herbs and a tin of beans. You can also add chili flakes to taste if you want it to be a bit spicier. So firstly, warm some oil in a large pan or wok and add the chopped onions and garlic and fry on a low heat for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Next, add the courgette, bell pepper and sweet corn to the pan and cook on a medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Then grate the ginger and add it to the pan with the mixed herbs, beans, honey, vinegar and soy sauce. Continue to cook on a medium heat for an additional 10 minutes, making sure that you keep stirring. The vegetables should still be a bit crunchy when this is done. And that's it. Serve this with rice, noodles or a wrap as preferred. This recipe is so simple yet so tasty. The crunch in the vegetables give a good texture and the ginger gives a more rounded flavour overall. So I hope you enjoyed making this for yourself and don't forget to subscribe for more veg power recipes.